Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do a mobile skin video. Basically, you get these mobile skins for the Poco F1 from the MI store itself. Now there are four of them available in the MI store, physical MI store. But if you go online on the MI app, there are 6 of them available. So those 2 extra ones are not available offline. So I bought all 4 of them. So we'll go ahead and use one of them on the phone. Now I already have the Armored Edition Poco F1. So this already looks good. So you don't need a skin for this. But if you have one of the regular ones, the blue one, the black one, or even the red one, and you want to change the color, then you can use one of this. Now this is not a cover. It is just a skin. So it'll only cover this part. The part over here, it's only going to cover that. So in case you're looking for something which will protect the phone from getting damaged when it falls, this is not for you. This is a skin which is going to be on top and which will look good. You can use a cover on top of the skin because the skin is very thin. It's not going to give much of bulk to it. So if you want, you can actually put a cover on top of it. So it's your choice if you want to buy this. Now it's for 299 rupees each. So you have to decide whether it's for you or not. I'll show you the 4 colors available in the MI store, and then you can decide which one you want to purchase. Now the covers, the back covers are cheaper than them. So you get back covers for 200 rupees. So this is 299, 300 rupees. So it's your choice. Which one do you want? So let's go ahead and open them up. Let's remove the seal. Okay. Okay, so let's take a closer look. Now before we look at them, let's just see what the name is. So this is black leather. So this is the one, black leather. So that's how it will look. This one is dark camo, which is this one. So this is my favorite. This looks really good. So maybe I'll be putting this one on the phone right now. And then you have black sandstone. So that will be this one, black sandstone. So this has got a matte kind of finish to it, but not rubbery. So I don't know, this is not my favorite. If you like it, good. Then you have your ebony wood. Okay, so that's the ebony wood one. Okay, so now we'll choose one of them to put on the phone. I think I'll choose between these two. I won't be using them. Okay, so let me take a closer look. Okay, I think I'll use the black camo. Okay, so let's see how to apply this. So basically you have to clean your phone first with the cloth that's been given, and then remove the skin, place it on the phone, and then use a hairdryer on the highest heat setting, and then rub the corners in. So basically the middle part will set properly without a problem. The corners are the ones which will take time, and you'll need to use a heat source. So you cannot use a lighter or something like that. You'll have to use a hairdryer which will give enough heat for it to grab itself on the corners. So let's go ahead and put this on the phone. Now unlike a screen guard, this one is not transparent, so even if there's a little bit of dust on it, you won't be able to see it. So let's go ahead and remove this. Okay, now this is going to be a task because I have to align the Poco over here and then align this over here. Okay, I don't think I really need a hair dryer because it actually fits properly. Okay, so I don't think I need a hair dryer, but still, just to be on the safer side, I'll use a hair dryer on this. Okay, so it's done. Now I don't think I need a hairdryer for this because it actually it's not covering the entire side. Let me just show you the results. So this much of space is left, which I did not expect. I thought it's going to cover the entire thing. Anyways, it's good, but this is going to be a concern for me because it's not covering the entire corners. So let me try another one. I'll try the wood one and then see how that looks like. Okay, so let's try this one now. Remove this. Okay, so that's done. Now let me use a hairdryer. Okay, so that's how it will look. Looks good. Same problem. The corners are still left. Now it sticks well because it's not going to the entire corner. It's not going to be bulging out. So let me just focus that. So this is how it's going to look like. So I'm a little disappointed, even though this is a good option, makes the phone look good, but the corners are still visible. So if you have a red color one or a blue color one or black color one, whatever, that color will be visible from the side. So the cutting is not precise, even though it is from MI. Now this is not a third party product. This is from MI, from the MI store, and the skin is actually not fitting completely. But it looks good though. I like the camo one, I like this one. Leather and the other one, for me it's of no use because I have the Armored Edition phone. But in case you're looking for something like this, good option, but it will not protect your phone. So you will have to use a cover on it. So when you use a cover, this skin is not going to make it bulge out too much. It's going to remain the same way. So if you put a skin or don't put a skin, it's not going to make a difference with a cover. So that's a good thing. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.